That's gold. It's just gotta be. Whoa! No way! Oh my god! I was shaking at the knees! Good morning, everyone. I'm Brian, your host and creator of Tales from the Motherlode, where we take you down to the South Yuba River and we find gold. And we've been finding it this year. We've already hit last year's total, and we still got a ways to go, so we're definitely gonna improve on the year. But we're gonna get you down there. I'll start digging and poking around, and then I'll start showing you some pickers and pokers, maybe some nuggets. Came over to here because this is where I found the nugget, and was trying to dig some more of this out. No success. Was about to move on, and then I said, why don't I clean this out, even though it looks awful kitty litterish. And this was the first pan. So that's the best thing going right now, and it's not a bad thing to be going. Somebody down there is putting in big work. I'm hearing some big noise. But I just finally came across this pan. I'm back in here, reaching down blind and starting to be able to just feel by hand exactly what the good stuff is. Drilled 3 little holes in the tips of my cracks, and this little guy busted through, but the other 2 are holding. Anyway, stay tuned. Not the worst pan in the world, as you can see. Mercury is showing back up. Here's a nice pan. Nice chunky piece leading the show right there. Leading the dance. Some pickers, some pokers. Alright, we're just plugging along here. It's about 11 a.m. We've been out here for 3 hours or so. Got another nice piece right there. And every pan is representing pretty good, so just gonna keep plugging away. I'm excited about this pan because of those 2 little chicken nuggets right there. Wondering if they got any family in this little spot that I'm in right now. Alright, we're on a nice run coming in here. Look at that little baked potato. All kinds of supporting characters. Finishing strong. Looks like I'm pulling a double today because I can't leave on this kind of gold. I'm killing it coming in, guys. I haven't been showing you every pan, but a little bit of mercury in there, but that's how it goes. 2 more pans and I'm out. Look at these pans coming in. Oh man. Ooh, we got ourselves a nice little pan here. Check that out. Sunset on the Yuba River. All right, we are coming at you a little different tonight. We are in a hotel. We're not in the gold wagon. There is the piece of the season. Some may say that's just a glorified cornflake, but it'll always be a nugget to me. But that's not the story. The story is, look at that. There's no doubt in my mind this is going to be our biggest 2-day clean out ever. So let's just get right down to it. First of all, let's find out what she weighs. Kaboom. 0.56. So you know what that means. We're still alive to find our first gram nugget. That's the good news. But anyways, let's find out what all of this weighs together. Wow, look at that pile of gold. I mean, are we on it? We are on it. This is about 10 hours of gold panning. Whoa. Sorry for the camera work. Yeah, we're topping 3. 3.184. Man, that's over $400 worth of gold right there. Yes, we are finishing the season strong the way we gotta. It's all about that second half. All right, I wanted to give a shout out to Poverty Prospecting Australia. Andy's over there with his dogs Smudge and Luna, and they are just doing all kinds of just really cool stuff over there. You got to check it out. He is the MacGyver of the gold mining community. Be safe, everyone.